What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Facebook ads with Payoneer account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard of Facebook wherein if you are new to Facebook, simply click on sign up and sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, just simply log in with that Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the right side at the top, you can see this waffle-like icon, which is the menu icon. Click on this, and after that, you just click on this ads section here on the right side. Now, a new tab of Ads Manager will open, wherein on the left side, you need to hover and click on Billings and Payments. Now, after clicking on Billings and Payments, a new window of Billings and Payments will open up. Now, after opening your billing and payment settings, click on payment settings and from here scroll down a bit and then click on add payment method. Now, after clicking on add payment method, make sure that you have selected your debit or credit card. After that, click on next and then now here enter your Payoneer's credit or debit card details. And after that, click on save and this is how you can pay to Facebook ads with your Payoneer account. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.